Thank you for watching this session on network topology map path analysis and generic tools. In this session, we will talk about the path analysis and generic tools of UVexplorer in the topology map. The topology map is a highly scalable solution supporting thousands of firewalls, routers, and switches. It provides centralized visibility and control across multiple vendors with out-of-the-box support for advanced network technologies, including SNMP, SSH, WMI, and more, both on-prem and in the cloud. Topology Intelligence uses their routing and security information from the devices in order to build the interactive map for network troubleshooting and for suggesting accurate path for change automation. Based on the information received from the devices, this map shows the connectivity among the different units and the technology they use. Let's delve deeper into the core benefits of network topology. The first use case that I'm going to show you is for visibility. I can search for one of the devices that I have in my network. For example, my Cisco 3560 switch. This device appears on the map with its subnets, as well as the routes, interfaces, and bridge ports associated with it. We can use the path analysis to perform troubleshooting in the network. I can add source or target and find the relevant path. Let's test this path analysis tool together. I want to check if I have a connection between one of my switches to another switch. By clicking on the ping button, it will test the full path between the source to the destination. In the first row, which is related to this Cisco switch, I can see the ping status and interface status. This device is marked with a red arrow. It means that UVexplorer is unable to communicate with the device. In the topology map, it's really important to have all the devices from the network in order to avoid a broken path between the source and the destination, like in this example, where the path is not completed. In some cases, users cannot see all their devices due to lack of access to a device, credential issue, or an unsupported device. This is where the generic devices tool comes in. Using the generic device, you can add the interface and routing information from the devices that UVexplorer doesn't monitor. Let's demonstrate adding a generic device. I can click on the manual devices option on the top bar and add the generic device. I can enter the device name, IP address, and the interfaces it connects to. After adding a generic device, the topology will automatically recalculate to include the generic device in the topology in order to complete the connection when the path is broken. Now you can see the new device in the network. You can also use other generic tools in the topology map, like adding a generic route or adding a generic interface if needed. In summary, the topology map is the basis of two things. By using a dynamic map that updates according to the user's network, we can, first of all, reduce the time it takes to carry out network troubleshooting, and also the user can leverage the accuracy of the topology map for automating changes across the entire on-prem, SDN, and cloud networks in minutes instead of days. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. For more information on network topology map, path analysis, and generic tools, visit UVexplorer.com.